Hello, welcome to the Carlmont Biomanufacturing Open House presentation. I'm Leslie Burndon, one of the teachers for this class, along with Dr. Nick Kapp from Skyline. Biomanufacturing is a college class at the high school. It is actually the equivalent of 2 Skyline College courses and is co-taught by Professor Nick Kapp. Students who participate in the biomanufacturing class and complete all coursework are eligible to receive college credit for the class through Skyline. Now, biomanufacturing is a lab skills course, so you may wonder, how did we manage to do this online? We were extremely fortunate to be able to partner with Skyline College, as well as many student and parent volunteers, to create home lab kits for the students to be able to do some labs at home. We also made video lab demonstrations with detailed instructions for the lab activities. We did online simulations for reinforcement of concepts not able to be covered with lab kits. We used composition lab notebooks just as in a real science lab, and we were fortunate to be able to make many regular connections to the COVID-19 pandemic to make this class real for the students. This included talking about testing, vaccine development, and ethics related to the pandemic. Here are some examples of the at-home labs that students were able to do as a class. Students were able to pour their own Petri plates and culture yeast microbes in their homes. They were able to validate their solution preparation skills using Kool-Aid. At the end of the first semester, their final project was to design and create a medical device aimed at treating kidney failure. So they extracted the enzyme urease from soybeans, put it into sodium alginate beads, and created a device to help filter the blood. Students also made a few sample projects in preparation for their Capstone project. They made zinc gummy vitamins, and they made bromelain lotion with bromelain enzyme extracted from pineapples. This has led into their Capstone projects. For the remainder of the year, students have picked their own projects. They are manufacturing, testing, and presenting their own biotech products from home. These products include everything from vegan leathers to vitamins and supplements to lotions and cosmetics. There are a lot of really creative ideas that I saw this year. I was very impressed with what the students have been able to do from home. Here are just a few examples of their test batch photos. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions.